Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global Introduction. Beneath its polished image, the UK is grappling with deep social, economic, and political crises that reveal a far harsher reality than most imagine. 1. Economic inequality. A tale of two Britons. The UK is one of the wealthiest countries in the world, yet millions of its citizens struggle to meet basic needs. According to the Joseph Rowntree Foundation, over 14 million people in the UK live in poverty, including more than 4 million children. Despite the country's global economic status, food banks have become a permanent fixture of British life. The Trussell Trust, the UK's largest food bank network, distributed over 3 million emergency food parcels in 2023-24 alone. At the same time, wealth accumulation continues for the elite. London's luxury real estate market thrives, and the number of billionaires has increased, many with wealth tucked away in offshore accounts. The gulf between the working class and the wealthy elite is widening, with stagnant wages, insecure jobs, and unaffordable housing affecting the vast majority of the population. 2. The erosion of public services. Perhaps one of the starkest indicators of the UK's decline is the crisis in public services. The National Health Service, NHS, once the pride of the nation, is under severe strain. Waiting times for treatment are at record highs, general practitioners are overburdened, and hospitals face chronic staff shortages. Education is also suffering. State schools contend with budget cuts, dilapidated infrastructure, and widening attainment gaps. Meanwhile, elite private schools maintain high standards, further entrenching privilege and perpetuating inequality. Additionally, local councils across the UK are declaring bankruptcy or operating at a minimum capacity due to austerity cuts that began in 2010 and have never fully reversed. Libraries, youth centres, and social care services have been slashed, particularly in working class and rural communities. 3. Housing crisis and homelessness. The UK is in the grip of a housing emergency. Rents have skyrocketed, home ownership is out of reach for many young people, and homelessness has surged. According to Shelter, over 270,000 people are recorded as homeless in England alone, including tens of thousands of children. Buy-to-let schemes, foreign investment, and the commodification of housing have turned shelter into a speculative asset rather than a basic human right. Social housing has dwindled dramatically, replaced by precarious private rentals often plagued by poor conditions and legal loopholes. 4. Immigration, xenophobia, and the hostile environment. Brexit promised control over borders, but the aftermath has been both chaotic and cruel. The UK government's hostile environment immigration policy, introduced in the 2010s, has resulted in significant harm to migrants, culminating in scandals like Windrush, where British citizens were wrongly detained, denied legal rights, and even deported. In recent years, the UK has adopted even more hardline approaches, such as attempts to deport asylum seekers to Rwanda, a policy widely condemned by human rights organizations. Meanwhile, hate crimes against migrants and minorities have increased, emboldened by toxic political rhetoric and media scapegoating. 5. Democracy in crisis. Democracy in the UK is under strain. Scandals like Partygate and lobbying controversies have eroded public trust in government. The first-past-the-post system often leaves millions of votes without fair representation. Unelected institutions like the House of Lords still wield legislative power. Overall, political disillusionment is growing, especially among young and marginalized communities. 6. Mental health and social fragmentation. Mental health issues are surging in the UK, especially among youth, driven by economic stress, social isolation, and public service cuts. As communities weaken, feelings of loneliness and despair are becoming widespread. Conclusion. Behind the curtain. Beneath its polished image, the UK is grappling with deep-rooted crises that can no longer be ignored. Thank you for watching this video.